Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be my first gaming video. It's kind of bad, so yeah. Today I'll show you how to play Bee Swarm. Or if you don't want to hear anything, you could just press this help thing and then you could do everything there. But first, you'll need to get a bee, which is from this egg area. Now I'll show you some codes. The first one is gum drops or science. Please spell this right. It's for science. Drops for science. Hopefully I spelled this right. Yep, it is a code. And then after you do that, you'll need to start just to farm. Farm in random fields. Oops. And that's pretty much the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.